Hey Floss fam, it's your girl Marcy J, and today I'm back with another video. If it's your first time on my channel, then welcome, and if it's not, then welcome back, sis. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove your makeup. I'm going to be demonstrating on myself. As you can see, I have a full face of makeup on. I actually went out last night and I was super exhausted, so I didn't get the opportunity to wash my face. Don't judge me, sis, because we've all been there. But here, y'all, so I figured that this would be the perfect opportunity for me to come on camera and show you guys how easy it can be to remove your makeup, although I was being a little lazy last night. So the only things I'll be using to remove my makeup today is makeup wipes and oil. So the oil of choice today is grapeseed oil. You want to make sure, if you do decide to follow my method, that you go in with the oil that is safe for your face. You don't want to use any harsh chemicals or harsh products on your face. So you want to get an oil that's gentle enough for your face. Our faces are sensitive. So that's a quick disclaimer, because I don't want nobody's face breaking out. I don't want y'all to come back under my video saying that, oh, my face broke out and whatnot. Girl, I'm telling you, make sure that you get an oil that is safe for the face, okay? Safe for the face. So the oil that I'm going to be using today is this grapeseed oil by Brooklyn's Botany. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. If I'm not, it is what it is. Everything will be left down below in the description. But as you can see, it does say that this is good for massages, skin, hair, and face. So this is a multi-use product, so it's safe enough for you to use on your face, and this is why I'm going in with this product today. And the makeup wipes, you can use any makeup wipes. The makeup wipes I'm going in with is by Beautyfrizz. It's their Lavender makeup wipes. So it's pretty simple. All you got to do is take one wipe. Got a wipe. And I'm just going to take some oil and apply a generous amount in the wipe. And then I'm just going to wipe my makeup off. So with oil, it really will melt all the makeup away. So it'll eliminate the hassle of having to go in and wash your face multiple times. Like, the oil really aids in like just having the makeup slip directly off of your face. So this is what I like to do. And look at that. Y'all see how that's just melting off of my face? That is what you want. It's just literally melting off of my face. So this is as easy as 1, 2, 3, y'all. It doesn't really require that much steps. It's just makeup wipe, put oil in the makeup wipe, wipe your face, and then the makeup will melt off, I promise you. I'm definitely gonna go in and wash my face after this, but rather than going in and washing my face like 3 times back to back to get the makeup off my face, it's as simple as that. The oil does all the work for you, so you don't have to go in and keep stripping and stripping and stripping your face with water and soap. This just cuts down the time and the hassle of having to remove your makeup. So yeah, y'all. And even for like eyelash glue is usually a hassle. And I noticed that a lot of my clients, when they apply their lashes and they remove them right before they come to their appointment, there's still a lot of eyelash glue stuck in their lashes. So this definitely works as far as that too, because I know it can be extremely tricky to get that glue out of your eyelashes, and this is literally the trick. But you definitely want to make sure that you close your eyes extremely tight, because of course you ain't trying to go blind. So I'm making sure that my eyes are closed extremely tight so that I don't get any oil in my eye. As y'all can see, just like that, y'all, easy breezy with one wipe. And keep in mind that I used only one makeup wipe, okay? That's all it took, one makeup wipe. Not 2, not 3, not 5, not 8, you know, one makeup wipe. And I just want to say, you don't have to go in and wash your face. That's just something that I'm going to do because I have to get in the shower anyway. But it's safe to just rock out like this. So as y'all can see, y'all, the makeup wipe did what it had to do. My skin is makeup free, and I only used one wipe and some oil, and the oil did a majority of the work. And y'all already know I would never steer y'all wrong. So make sure that y'all try this. So rather than spending 10 hours to remove your makeup, I'm exaggerating, but rather than, you know, going through the hassle of having to constantly and repetitively wash your face, you can just take one wipe, some oil, cleanse your face, and you out the door. You're good to go. Makeup free. So ladies, don't be like me. No more going out to the club with the face beat and coming home and being too lazy to remove your makeup. Guys, try my trick. Tell me how it works for you. And yeah. So I hope that this video can be extremely helpful to somebody out there. As always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, because you know your girl is on the road to 1K. And the more you guys engage with me, the more I'll know what type of content to produce and what type of content to push out there for y'all. So, as always, it's always my pleasure. I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Ciao.